So today I will show you what to do when you receive your package. The panel comes pre-mounted, so when you unbox it, you just have to put it to the wall or wherever you want to install it with the screws that are included in the package. In a second step, you need to connect the tubings with the flow reservoir. Pay attention, there are two different sizes. The bigger one, it's 6 × 4 mm, goes to the inlet on the left side and also to the bottom. The smaller one here on the right side goes to the outlet of the flow reservoir. To connect tubing and fitting, you just simply have to push it inside the fitting, and if you want to use it again, you just press the small grey ring here and pull on the tubing. After connecting all 3 tubings to the flow reservoir, unbox the sensor. Grab the locking ring and slide it onto the sensor. Then you install the sensor into the flow reservoir. Here we included a Pokayoke feature, so it's easy to achieve the correct sensor orientation inside the flow reservoir. Tighten the locking ring, and that's it. The sensor is correctly installed if the prominent engraving aligns to the front. After installing the sensor in the flow reservoir, take the cable from the sensor and pull it through the panel 2 times. One time here and the other time here. It goes to the left side of the controller. When connecting the sensor to the controller, make sure that the controller is not connected to any power source. In the next step, you open the controller. After loosening the screws, take the controller surface and put it temporarily here. The sensor cable goes to the XB2 terminal of the RS485 module. Here the red wire goes to +B, the white cable goes to A+, the green one goes to B-, and last but not least the black cable goes to the ground. In the next step, you can now close the surface of the controller, tighten the screws and then turn on the power. As the sensor comes factory calibrated, you can now directly start to measure. If you have to calibrate, we highly recommend to use our calibration vessel. It fits perfectly into this holder here. For further instructions how to calibrate the sensor, please refer to our calibration video.